Verifying your account on T-Mobile is a straightforward process that ensures your account is secure and accessible. Follow these steps to complete your verification. Step 1. Visit the T-Mobile website. Go to the official T-Mobile website using your preferred web browser. Look for the login section to access your account. Step 2. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This area typically contains options for managing your account details and security settings. Step 4. Select verification options. In the account settings, find the verification options. This may include methods such as email verification, phone number confirmation, or security questions. Step 5. Complete the verification process. Follow the prompts for your chosen verification method. This may involve receiving a code via email or SMS that you will need to enter to confirm your identity. After completing these steps, your account should be verified. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to T-Mobile customer support for assistance.